Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out September 26th through October 2nd in my hourly life planner. So not gonna lie, I wasn't even sure if I was going to film a weekly in this planner, but the thing is I do want to have one book that's like complete for the whole year, and I think I still kind of want to use this for a lot of memory keeping, essentially, like if that's possible. That means I'd have to keep up with the memory keeping. So we will see how that goes. So this morning I was like, I should really clean out my Alex drawers, right? Drawers. Oh my gosh. I should clean out those things where I put all my stuff and it goes to die for like forever and ever. And wouldn't you know it, I found an entire kit from Gabriella Elena Designs that I purchased like either last year or the year before. I'm not entirely sure, but this kit is gorgeous. I was like, this has to happen. This has to happen. So here we are. Let me grab my tweezers because I'm never actually ready. All right, so we're starting off with the 26th. So, okay, this past week was busy-ish. So I've shared before that we're switching over to a new HR/payroll system, and that actually starts this week that I'm planning for. So it's like full on, like gird your loins. You know what I mean? Like we don't know how it's gonna go. Fingers crossed it goes well, but we'll see. You know, we will see. So let's see. I'm going to be using my Pentel Energel pen. So funny because I found the needle tip refills for this also in the very same drawer that I didn't know that I ordered probably at least a year ago. So go through your stuff. That's what the lesson is here. Go through your stuff. Don't be like me. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's the 28th. But I am glad that I found it because I was about to place an order through another shop for some fall things, and I was looking for something in that drawer that I was in, and I was like, oh my god, I can't find anything in here. It's a mess. And it actually led me to clean out like 6 other drawers. I have 2 sets of the Alex ones from IKEA, and while they're great, if you don't keep them organized, things can get chaotic very, very quickly. And I probably hadn't cleaned the drawers out in quite some time. So I knew that it was time to do that, but it was not fun either. It wasn't. I would love to sit here and say, oh my god, I feel so much better. I mean, I do feel better, but it was not enjoyable. I did get rid of a lot of stuff. There were some like really old pens in one drawer. It just like, it was a mess, but it needed to happen, and I'm so thankful that I cleaned it out. So as you guys know, I'm like full on in my Hobonichi cousin. I almost said weeks because I was just looking at a photo and I backed away like I should have because I was like, do I need a week's? No, I don't. And if you're thinking about it, you probably don't either because you don't already have it. And we need to just use what we have. Anyway, no, buy what you want, but still, I'm like this close, and I'm like, no, I've had it before. I really like the cousin. It's where I'm at right now. So, all right, weekend sticker. I was just looking at it. I just realized that there is not washi for this, and I don't have a single coordinating washi that I could use if I wanted to. So that's not going to work, but I love this. I love this vibe. I'm here for every ounce of fall vibes. Let's do the sidebar because there's plenty of stickers for that. So this week has been filled with all of that, switching to a new system. Let me kind of get in view here. Switching to a new system, dealing with all of that fun stuff. Just some other, interesting things at work, and then just, life. And it's been a busy one. So I'm actually thinking right now, like, do I need to post a video on Friday? Should I just make it a 2 video week? So I want to see if there is a this week sticker. There's a currently watching laundry. No, I might just have to write it in myself. I don't know if I can handle that. Totally kidding. So I just like to look at the boxes and see what all there is. Obviously this is a lot less than what I'm normally used to planning with, but it will be totally fine. So I was thinking I would want to use one of the photos over here to cover this September, but then that would only leave me with 5 instead of 6. So I think I'm just going to end up using one of these skinnier labels and put this week on it that way. That will work just fine. Actually, no, is it over here? I don't know, for some reason I was like, look over here. To go, to do. There is a to do. I guess we can do that. There's just not a this week. We'll just do to do. That will work just fine. All right, so videos this week. Ooh, which stickers do we want to use? Let's see. Okay, so we're just gonna use a dot marker. That's what I finally decided on like 12 minutes later, because I didn't have enough stickers to to use what I wanted. Okay, so Monday, we'll put this right about here. I mean, there's gray in this kit, so it works out. Is this plan with me? And then on Wednesday, I believe it's going to be a haul video. I haven't decided, or this haul video will have already gone up because I do not have my life together right now, which is also totally fine, but that's what that's gonna be. And then on Friday, I have stickers just falling out of my planner. Like, are we shocked? Okay. Friday is going to be another plan with me, but it will probably be in my Hobonichi cousin at that point. So we're just gonna do Hogo, because that's what we like calling her, plan with me. Forgot how much I love the way the Pentel Klenas write on the EC paper. It is just perfection. So one of the things that I definitely need to remember is that on Thursday, they are going to come and pressure wash our house. I forget the exact time, but they are indeed coming to do that. That's really like the only appointment we have this week so far. And her stickers are like writing on butter. It is amazing. So that's really the big appointment for the week. The rest of the things are like an onslaught of work things. It is not fun. All right, so I do want to write out or carve out the time for meals. And since I don't have washi, I actually have space for some other things at the bottom. So that's actually kind of nice. Okay, my line is in for meals down here. It's a little bit too early for me to put in meals, but at least there is a carved out space for it. I also realized that on the sidebar situation here, there is some more habit trackers, and I'm just going to use them all up because I love a good habit tracker. Oh my god. So that's cool, and I don't really use that many to-dos. That is crazy crooked. Let's see if we can get that up. I always worry with older stickers that I've had for a while, like being able to pull them up if that's going to be easy or destroy my planner. So there we go. I'm going to go ahead and put the full boxes down just because I'm feeling like I need to do that before I put anything else down. I don't know. I'm also feeling like this is such a more massive planner than the cousin. I'm like, did I already get used to that planner? Probably. More than likely. Let's see. Let's do the jeans one. This is so freaking cute. I hopped over to Pinterest the other day and started looking at like outfits for Go Wild, because Go Wild is in Washington, D.C. for 2023. And I was like, you know, the temperature is going to be kind of different, so it would be okay to plan for like cardigans and, you know, basically layers, just because one, you'll be around a lot of people, so you're going to be like warmer than normal, but if you go outside and it's the evening, you're going to need something to keep you warm. So there was just a lot to think about in the form of outfits, and I'm a planner, so I was like, heck yeah, I'm going to start planning outfits 6 months in advance, because who doesn't do that? So that, oh my gosh, that is so freaking pretty. I'm probably going to end up using my dot marker for a lot of things, but we'll see how that goes. definitely want to make sure that I mark down watching House of the Dragon on Sunday. I'm just kind of all over the place with this plan with me, and I am perfectly okay with it. This is what happens when you spend too much time in one planner and then don't touch your other planner for like a week. Just probably not the best idea, but that's okay. I know that that's happening that day. So Friday, I might actually skip this Friday Night Live, because if you are following me on Instagram, I actually have a bonus Friday Night Live this Friday, which by the time you see this will be last Friday, because that's not confusing enough. But this Friday, the 30th, would have been my usual scheduled Friday Night Live, but I'm partnering up with Team Wild on a special Friday Night Live, so I think I might skip it, because I know my family kind of gets like, are you gonna do Friday Night Lives every Friday? I mean, I could, but I also like love my family, so they're a priority. Let's see, so we've got movie night there. I'm almost like going backwards, because that's just working with my brain. Thursday I will need to do some editing, so we'll put that here. Thursday evening, I'm kind of like, ooh, no washi is kind of fun, because I can actually use the bottom half of my planner. So we'll do edit videos, might even sneak in some lettering here, because that's what I've been doing a lot of in my cousin. All right, edit videos is in there. Wednesday is our midweek laundry night. It's actually working out for me to go backwards, so I'm not totally mad at that. All right, just gonna layer the laundry sticker and the laundry script sticker. I think that that's really cute. And I definitely want to make some time for workouts, which I might use these flags for, and sprinkle them along the bottom as well. So let's do workout on each one of these. I cannot get over how insanely like buttery writing on these stickers is. So I might do it across the very, very bottom, because that seems to be the best place for it to fit. So we'll do Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and then probably Saturday morning. Oh, let's switch colors there. And we'll do Saturday morning. Now that it's getting cooler out, there is a park here that we like to walk at that is just beautiful. There's tons of trees, a couple of bridges, fun stuff like that. So I think that might be our Saturday morning workout routine, but I'm excited about that. All right, and then of course, definitely want to do the grocery shopping for Sunday. And these are like small enough, you can actually just put them right next to each other instead of having to layer, which is great. And then I definitely want to use a today's chore with, let's see what will be the best sticker here. Probably this yellow one for yard work. So now that October is here, we do like a lot of fall maintenance for our yard. So we like to dethatch parts of our yard that tend to get like really like compacted with grass from like trimming the grass and everything throughout the year. And then doing like the fertilizer and grass seed and all that fun stuff. And we have to like trim back some shrubs and all that. So definitely doing a lot of that on Saturday. And of course we cannot forget that payday is on Thursday. I do love that she includes a fill up sticker on her sticker sheet. That's really cool. That's something that I do pretty much immediately after grocery shopping on Sundays. I love that. And then I'm also going to use the little me time sticker on Sunday, because that's when I do like my eyebrows, face mask, all that fun stuff, and I make sure it's all done before House of the Dragon comes on, because that's how I roll. And I'm going to use one of the little, actually I'm going to use the flag here for trash day on Friday. And okay, got that in. Let's see. I know that I'm missing like a ton of stuff. This is what happens when I film things like way too early. But I could easily put a little to-do section right there for each day, and then just like letter in the to-do for each day. I'm gonna have to use the tweezers for this one, because these are itty bitty. So we'll put this one here, and I think I'll kind of scatter them. They don't have to be like straight across or anything like that. These are really cute. I haven't used heart checklists in forever, in absolutely forever, but these are really cute. And I kind of like that it's just 3, because sometimes you get the ones that are like 5 or 6, and then you're like, I don't have 5 or 6 things to put there, you know? And now that it's fall, does anyone know exactly when Hocus Pocus is out? I feel like I keep hearing different dates. Is it going straight to TV? Is it going to be in theaters? I feel like I know nothing, but I am very excited about it. Very, very excited about it. All right, and then we've got room for one more, and then I'm just going to write in the to-dos. All right, now the to-dos are in for each day. I just kind of wrote it right at the top of each checklist, and I can fill it out as each day comes along. Now let's do the weather at the top, because I just looked at the forecast and I am ridiculously excited. Okay, so Monday is still a little hot. Monday didn't get the memo that fall is here. So Monday is 90 is the high, 66 is the low. Tuesday is 84, 63. Love that. That is like perfect. And then Wednesday is 76, 63. Like, hello, fall has actually arrived in Savannah. All right, and then Thursday, 74, 62. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I saw some people saying like, we're not excited about fall because we live in the north and that just means winter's coming. Well, some of us have summer 9 months of the year. So please give us a moment, okay? All right, Friday is 74, 60. And Saturday is 78, 62. Sunday is 79, 62. All right, so let's look at the menu then. Now that we know that those are our temperatures, let's look at the menu. I think we will actually do chili on Wednesday to almost celebrate that amazing weather. I think that we'll have chicken tacos this day on Tuesday. Not sure about Monday yet, but we'll probably have something in the crock pot. Probably ranch chicken. It's one of my favorite things to make in there. And then of course, Fridays or Thursdays probably going to be leftovers and or just fend for yourself, which I love. It's my favorite, so I don't have to cook. And then Fridays actually takeout night, so that is awesome. Great, love that. I love the hydration box over here. I'm probably going to put steps here. Habits that I want to track is going to be no soda and reading. And I think that is it. Let me back up so you can see the whole actual planner thing. I do like the way that this turned out. This is definitely a different kit for me, so I had to like think out of the box, pun intended, maybe, I don't know. Nonetheless, I think that this is a beautiful, beautiful kit and a beautiful way to welcome in October. Hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.